Canada is experiencing what its Prime Minister Trudeau calls an unprecedented wildfire season.
People across the country are being affected. We're seeing vulnerable people at risk, outdoor events cancelled, kids having to be kept inside at recess.
More than 400 fires are active across the country now, and more than 150 of those are in Quebec. What's going on is that the smoke billowing from these fires is being funneled down south into the continental U.S.
On one hand, I'm glad it should be temporary, but a little worried about what I'm breathing up today.
In wildfire smoke, there are these particulate matter pollutants that are smaller than the size of a human hair. And those are the things that can sort of get past your body's defenses and deep into your lungs and into your bloodstream. And that's why everyone is so concerned. If you have cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, asthma, pregnant women, children, those are the folks that are termed sensitive groups. So they are warned to take more precautions. Now we're at a certain point where the air quality is so bad, for example, in New York City, where everybody is being cautioned in these conditions.
This is an unprecedented event in our city, and New Yorkers must take precaution. The New York State Department of Environmental Conservation has issued an air quality health advisory for all 5 boroughs.
According to the Environmental Protection Agency, exposure is associated with an increased risk of exacerbating those pre-existing conditions. You're more likely to have an asthma attack if you already have asthma. It can lead to coughing and difficulty breathing. You can have reduced lung function. And they're recommending that if you do have to go outside, you wear a KN95 or N95 mask, and that you limit the amount of time you spend outdoors and that you do not exercise outdoors. The winds traveling from north to south, that's funneling the smoke from Canada towards the continental U.S. That's not expected to dissipate for a few days until the weekend at the earliest.